Over the past few years, we've witnessed something no one expected: a complete crash in the global GPU supply chain. Manufacturers unable to meet demand, waiting lines stretching for months, and major cloud providers like AWS, Google, and Azure simply unable to supply the market. Today, training AI models, running machine learning workloads, or executing high-performance computing depends on infrastructure that is becoming increasingly rare. NVIDIA dominates the market. Demand for AI GPUs has exploded by more than 400% in just 2 years. Even billion-dollar companies are facing long queues. AWS recently launched EC2 capacity blocks, allowing companies to reserve entire clusters of GPUs. Because the normal cloud capacity simply can't keep up anymore. Amazon itself publicly admitted a GPU crunch, where internal teams went months without enough resources. And it's not just the cloud. Even in the physical market, high-end RTX GPUs can have waiting lists of 4 months after launch. We have a global problem, and traditional solutions are collapsing. That's exactly why we created QUBIX, a new approach to high-performance computing. Instead of depending on a single data center, we connect the power of thousands of GPUs distributed around the world. Idle machines, independent platforms, smaller data hubs, all united inside a smart, secure, and fully scalable marketplace. QUBIX transforms idle GPU capacity into opportunity and delivers high-performance computing to anyone who needs it, with no waiting lines, no bureaucracy, and no inflated cloud costs. And all of this powered by a secure payment, auditing, and automation layer built on top of the Qubic network. Our decision to choose Qubic was not accidental. Qubic offers fast, predictable, extremely low-cost transactions. It is a blockchain designed for code execution, off-chain verification, and decentralized oracles. It enables applications that require trust, automation, and auditability, without sacrificing speed. In QUBIX, every GPU rental is recorded on-chain, every payment is processed through Qubic, and every provider is guaranteed automatic, transparent, and immutable payouts. The result is simple: a system where users trust the computing and providers trust the payment. And now, while the video demonstrates our solution, you are seeing the power of QUBIX in real time. Clear dashboards, create and import Qubic wallets with a single click, manage balances instantly, rent GPUs by the hour or on demand, Jupyter notebooks, SSH access, remote VS Code, and API environments, all automatically provisioned. The platform identifies the ideal GPU, calculates the cost, simulates or processes the payment, and connects you directly to the computing environment. It is literally the power of a full data center in the palm of your hand. But QUBIX is not just a tool, it is a new global marketplace. People with idle GPUs can earn money. Companies can monetize excess capacity, all connected to a fast, secure, decentralized, and verifiable system. Computing stops being scarce and becomes distributed. We are entering the era of mass artificial intelligence, and none of it is possible without computing power. The future does not belong only to the companies with the biggest data centers, but to those who can connect resources, people, and technology intelligently. And that is exactly what QUBIX does. We reinvent access to computing power, and we give the world the capacity to innovate again. QUBIX. The future of computing is distributed.